Let's talk about broadcasts. A broadcast message allows you to create a mass communication between you and many others in your organization, which allows you to identify who has read that communication and acknowledge that they have received it. However, they are not able to respond directly to that communication. Let's identify how this feature works. Clicking on the upper right corner of my screen, I'll hit the plus icon. This will allow me to choose the second item on my list, broadcast, where I can send an announcement. This could be to any subsection of my organization. It could be to a certain group of individuals. It could be managers only. It could be frontline associates only. It could be whoever I want. I can select those groups of people and continue. This would allow me to create my broadcast message and embed any sort of imagery or embed any sort of broadcast video that I like. Many organizations may use this for town halls, may use this for rapid updates, for just-in-time communications, to ensure that everyone in the organization is fully updated on a critical new piece of information to do their jobs to the best of their abilities. This concludes the video for broadcast messaging.